Installing the first and middle panels when using a hidden internal corner profile. Once you have your corner profile in place, start from the corner and go left to right. Measure the width needed and cut the Aqualock joint off the left-hand side of the panel. When fitting on a stud wall, dry fit the panel and make sure it's plumb before using any sealant. Apply sealant on the cut edges. Slide the panel into the corner profile and make sure it is plumb. Fix the panel in place with screws through the dedicated groove in the Aqualock joint into the stud strips on the wall behind. For fully covered plasterboard walls, space the screws at no more than 200 mm apart. Make sure the lowest screw always goes through both the Aqualock joint and the base profile behind. When gluing the panels. When gluing the panels, calculate 1 tube of Fibo adhesive per panel. Once again, dry fit the prepared panel and make sure it is plumb before applying any sealant or adhesive. Once you have placed the panel, put a pencil mark on the wall on the panel's right-hand side as a marker. Apply Fibo adhesive in an S shape on the back of the panel. Apply sealant on the cut edges of the panel and slide it into place in the corner profile. Now you can work from left to right, sealing and clicking each panel into place. If you have a panel with a tile effect design, make sure the grout lines match up when you do the dry fitting. Each joint should have excess sealant removed with a Fibo Clean spray and Fibo sealing tool and then cleaned with a Fibo wipe. Remember to seal all the joints, including the Aqualock joint and any cut edges of the panel.